Science and Nature typically refer to two prominent scientific journals, Science and Nature, which are among the most respected and widely read scientific publications in the world. Both journals cover a wide range of scientific disciplines and publish research articles, reviews, and news in various fields of science, including biology, physics, chemistry, astronomy, and more. They play a crucial role in disseminating groundbreaking research and discoveries to the global scientific community and the general public. Additionally, Science and Nature often feature articles that highlight the intersection of science with broader societal, ethical, and environmental issues.